Hey, this is Mr. Elmhorst with the help video for the Unit 3 Rational Numbers Test Mixed Review. So first thing, we're going to look at the expression here. When we have a number inside the parentheses without any other symbol, that means we're doing groups, and that means multiplying. We're going to multiply the numbers and then put the decimal place value in our answer. So we're going to start with 2 times 5. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. And then 2 times 3 was going to be 6. When we're done multiplying the 2, then we are done with the 1 spot down below. Now we're going to multiply 3 times 5, carry the 1. 3 times 1 plus 1 is 4, and then 3 times 3 is going to be 9. So here's the part that students forget from 5th grade. When you're done multiplying the 10 spot, then you go down below and you cross out the 10 spot and the 1 spot. So now we're multiplying 2 times 5, which is 10, 2 times 1, and then 2 times 3. We're adding them up. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 3 is 13. So our numbers should be 73080. And over here we have 1, 2, 3 decimal place values. 1, 2, 3. And then we put that into our answer. Number 2, we're multiplying a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Starting with 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 8 is 32. Plus 2 is 34. And then 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 3, which is going to be 19. When you're done multiplying the 1 spot, we go down below and cross it out. So 2 times 5 is 10, carry the 1. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. And then 2 times 8 plus 1 is going to be 9. 0, 4, 16, carry the 1. So 9, 10, 11. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal place values. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many complete 8-inch rulers can you make from 7 feet of material? So 12 times 7 is going to be 84 inches. We have 84 divided by 8. So 8 goes into 8 one time. And 8 goes into 4 0 times. If you wanted to keep dividing, we could finish this up. But you can only make how many full-length rulers? This is not a full length. 0.5 would only be half. So we're going to divide, and we can only make 10 full-length rulers. Okay, we're going to do keep, change, flip. 5 over 12 times 10 over 3. Numerator times numerator. And denominator times denominator. So it looks like we can divide both of these by 2. And that's going to give us 25 over 18. And then we can simplify that, 25 over 18. So dividing 25 divided by 18 is one whole number. 18 times 1 is 18, and then we subtract. And we're left with 7 out of 18. First, we're going to regroup. Then we're going to rewrite it. Then we're going to do the reciprocal multiply by the reciprocal, and then simplify. Okay, so we're going to multiply 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is going to be 9 over 2. And we do keep, change, flip, and that's going to be 5 over 4. So 9 times 5 is 45, and 2 times 4 is 8. So we got 45 divided by 8, which is going to give us 8, with a remainder of 5 left over, and that goes back into the fraction 5/8. Let's make this into a fraction and regroup, rewrite, keep, change, flip, multiply, and then simplify. So we got 4 and 8/10. We're going to regroup it. 4 times 10 is 40 plus 8. So we have 48/10 divided by 6 over 5. So 48/10 times 5 over 6. So we do keep, change, flip. Now we multiply 60 on the bottom. And let's see what we're going to get on the top. 24. That gives us 240. And then we simplify that, will give us 4 as a whole number. And now for the last one, we are subtracting, so we need common denominators. We're going to stack our fractions. And find a common denominator times 4 times 4 times 5 times 5. So that's going to give us 5/20 and 12/20. So we are subtracting whole numbers and we are subtracting these fractions here. But we have an issue here. We need to subtract 5 minus 12. So we don't have enough. So we need this numerator to be greater. So we're going to add a whole number into it and then take a whole number away. So that would give us one whole number larger in the fraction would be 25 over 20 minus 12 over 20. Now we can subtract, and that's going to give us 13 out of 20, and then 3 minus 1 is going to leave us with 2 and 13/20.